This old guy DIY video has to do with first impressions of a Klipsch Sub-120 subwoofer for a home audio system. So a hot chick that I know was cranking her subs. I think she had an M&M on that day, and she blew out her sub from her Onkyo home entertainment center. And I tried to find a replacement online. After reading a bunch of reviews, she decided to order this Klipsch Sub-120, and FedEx just delivered it after it was purchased on Amazon. So my job now is to take it out of the box, plug it in, and see if she likes it. Should be a nice upgrade, and from everything you read online and then I read online, it sounds like this is a good unit to have in a normal sized house with carpeted floors. This is what the sub looks like after I removed it from the packaging. It's made it here in good condition. That's what the controls look like. After a couple of days of listening to the new sub tied into her Onkyo system, she's really happy with this thing. And on the back it had a switch for 0 and 180 to get it in phase with the stereo system, and flipping that actually helped the sound. And it also has a gain control on the back. And on her previous sub, it just said output. So of course she cranked it to the highest level possible. And this one has a couple of dials that you turn as the stereo is playing. So the subwoofer volume is similar to the volume on the speakers in the front. And she had that thing adjusted, and now she really likes it. It gives her nice mellow bass on lower volume stuff. When she decides to crank it and shake the house, it certainly has the potential to make that happen. If someone asks what type of sub to get to replace their blown subwoofer on a home stereo system, I would certainly suggest this Klipsch based on her feedback and observations. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.